Oh, you are here. How nice of you to come. I am Kurt Wagner, and I am here to clean your eye globe. I'm so happy that you found my little clinic out in the nowhere. Yes. So you have had problems with eyes. Yes, I can see they are red in the white and white in the red. And are they supposed to be yellow? Well, never mind. I will take care of your little problem. Yes, I will. You can trust old Wagner. Yeah. Ein, klein, yeah. But first, we must check everything else. I have my medical equipment here. Yes, they are sterile. Yes. So, first, let's take your temperature, right? I cannot work if you have fever, no. State of the art. Yes, state of art. What was that? What's wrong with my eye? There's nothing wrong with my eye. Are you insinuating that I have something wrong with eye? Good. Good, now that we have gotten that out of the way, I will check your temperature. Say, good. Okay. What? No, this has not been in bath, I promise. I am serious eye doctor for the clinic sick eyes. No fever, good, das ist gut, ja, das ist gut, eine kleine, ja, das ist gut. Then I will explain something about eyes. Okay, now, as you can see on my former on this head, you have two eyes, or sockets with where eyes is supposed to be. Yes. And I will clean around the globe, yes, around the globe, and perhaps behind the globe, yes. So I will start by brushing slightly on your eye globe. Alright, you know, eyeballs are very serious matter. Oh, those for other balls. Un momento, eine kleine, ja, das ist das Borscht, brush. Yes, un momento. You must keep still, head, or I will accidentally poke eyes out. I will tape your head with this sticky tape. Very sticky, yes. Don't taste good. Brain taste bad. Alright, let's do this. Hold still. Perfect. Now, just hold your eye open for me, yes. Good, that is good. Ja, No, I'm just talking. Yes. Around the eye. Brushing. Yes, around we go. Around. The wheels on the bus are spinning around and around, yes. Alright, hold on. Now she will perform a test with this little flashlight here. I want you to follow light with eye. Good. Okay, you follow light. You follow light, das is good, yeah. Yeah. You follow the light. But don't look into the light. You follow the light. Yes. Good, das is good. Das is perfect. And we go up. Yeah. And we go down. Yeah. And we go around. The wheels on the bus are spinning round and round. Yes. Good, that is good. I will now turn this off. Now I have other brush. It makes very nice sound. Yeah. But I will not use that. It's too hard on eyeball. Yeah. I have other brush. Yeah, that is good. Oh, eyelashes from last patient. Yeah. Okay. That is good. Yeah. Good. You know, people take care of teeth. They take care of eyes, not eyes. Ears, not eyes. I am for taking better care of eyeballs. Yeah. And they will go blind. Yeah, blind. Everything will be dark. And we don't want that, now do we? Are you having troubles with your ears, by the way? Maybe you want me to shake your ears while I'm doing the eye globes. No, okay. I will continue brushing. So, what do we have here? Oh, left by last patient. Say hello to my little friend. Well, so, do you see any better now? Or shall I continue the treatment? All right. Oh, I switched accent, no? Yes, I have lived very many places, so yes. Now we are going to do the double eye globe cleaning. And to do that, I take brush like this, like chopstick. Ich bin bad. Ja, ich bin. was not so bad, no? What did you think it was going to happen? Did you think I was going to kill you? No, I am a very good eye doctor. Yes, un momento, I will take off the tape from your forehead, yeah. Kind of stuck in here. Sorry. So, I hope you feel better in eye, yes? Now some final words. I will lean in and you will hear what I have to say and you will remember, okay? Remember, every morning I wake up, you take small brush I will send with you, okay? And you will continue brush eye up and down, down and up, around, like the song, the buzz, the wheel and the buzzer spinning round and round. Yes, yes. All right. Then I think everything will be good. Yeah, everything will be just fine. I am so happy you came to Dr. Wagner's clinic for the bad eyes. Yes. Now, I bid you a very good day. It's been a true pleasure doing business with Eyeball. I love eyeballs. I have a big collection. Very well. Goodbye. Aroa. Dankeschön. Adieu.